guys, Kasakai. Welcome back to Code with Bahuli. And I'm extremely sorry for not uploading videos, but I'm back again, right? So let's begin. So today's topic is gonna be functions. So what is a function? It is a reusable block of code. Okay. So void is used here. So void is basically a function return type. Okay. And if in our code we are not using void as the return type, then other than void that would be int, then we have to write a return statement at the down, like at the end of the code. Okay. And void is basically a return type which will like it will not return any value, it is empty. Okay, so for better understanding, let's take an example. So let's begin. So let's start with a simple example. Okay, hashtag include stdio.h, then we are gonna write void. Okay, void, let's take a simple example of addition. I'll just write a comment here for your understanding. Define and declare. So basically we are defining and declaring the function. Okay, and here we are gonna write add. So everything will be same. Okay, int a comma b comma c. Here we are gonna declare the variables, okay, whose data type is int, that is integer. Then let's give a values to these variables. Let's give a as 10, okay, b as 20, okay, and c will be the addition of a plus b. Okay, here we will just write semicolon. Now we will write a print statement, print f let's take it on new line, %d plus %d is equal to %d. Okay, and here we will write the variables. Okay, so basically a is for this wala %d, b is for this wala %d, and c is for this wala %d. And here we will write a semicolon. Now this is the block of the function. Okay, now we are gonna declare main, and we will write here let's write here print I am in main. Okay, so now we are gonna basically call this add, okay, here in this main, add. Now let's run this program and see what happens. Okay, execute, compile and run. So here I actually forgot to write print f. I'm sorry. Execute and run. you can see I'm in main slash. Okay, wait. I think so. I forgot. This wala slash is like this. Sorry. Yeah. Now you can see here I am in main is printed here, and below it add is written. Okay, so basically add is the calling function. Add is calling this block that we have written here. Add is basically calling this whole procedure out here. Got it? The same thing if I'm writing, let's say again, तो क्या होगा? See, the whole thing is printed again. The number of times you're gonna call the function, the number of times it will execute. This is the moral of the story. Okay? We have called add function 3 times. So that's the reason it is being executed 3 times. Okay? Let's take one more example. By the way, what if we reverse the procedure? Like we have written here add, and down here we have written main, right? What if we do ulta? Okay, so let's take this wala part down here. Here I'll write void add. Okay, and down here we will write a declare wala thing. Okay, so now the thing is we are declaring the function below the calling wala block. Okay, so this is basically the calling block, and remember to put here, now here you are just defining, we are not declaring. Okay, we are just defining the function add, and we have written the calling procedure above the declare one. Let's execute. Yeah, same thing. So yeah, this is the another way of executing the program. Got it? Let's move on to the next one. Next we will take a simple one. Now we are going to define the function with int. Let's take square. We are going to square the numbers here. Okay, so int square. So int num. Let's take a number. Okay, and let's give it a square. Print f. Enter the number. Okay, and here we will put the semicolon. On the next statement, scanf %d %d, and we will call num. Sorry guys, I'm just having a bit of bad throat. And now we are gonna put semicolon, and here we are gonna write return. I had mentioned in the slide, right? We are gonna use return whenever there is any other function used than void. Okay, return, we are gonna write num into num. Num into num. Square कैसे करते हैं? The number into that number, right? For example, 5. 5 into 5 is the square of 5, right? 25. Now we are gonna write the main wala part. Main int के बाद open it, declare int square. Okay. Okay, so now square में we are gonna write square is equal to this wala square. See here, the function name over here is sqr, right? So we are gonna write the same thing out here, and let's write a statement printf /n. I'm messing around with /n. I guess. Which wala /n? I just forgot. Yeah, this one only. /n square is, we are going to write %d so that the value is getting called this wala over here, and we are going to write square. This time we are going to not use ampersand. Okay, execute. Enter number. Let's take the same 5. See, square is here. So basically इस वाले कोड में हमने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है. Simply we, instead of void, we have used here int, and that's it, and here return आ रहा है. Okay, here we are just declaring and here we are executing. Okay, basically we are calling the above wala part, which is this wala square wala part down here. Okay, so this is the calling block and this is the declaration wala block. Yeah, so basically any other data type of the function other than void, okay, so that is int, then we have to use return. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए goodbye.